baby, watch your man out here. Tell me where he gone.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you this cute little mirrored wall decor. Hey everyone, did you guys all miss me? I haven't posted all week because I wasn't feeling very well. I was having one of my down days, which I have all the time. But you know what? I just do the best I can. I get up and I continue. And I want to thank you guys so much for all your support. I really appreciate you guys. Because even though I wasn't posting, I was still getting notifications of you guys watching my videos. And I'd like to say thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Yeah, so, okay, I have this mirrored wall decor that my friend asked me to make for her. So she got the supplies and asked me, please, could you make me a nice wall decor? So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm coming on today to share that with you guys. So everything will be listed down below in my description box of where she got everything, I should say. So you guys can check it out and get some for yourself if you'd like. Alright you guys, let's get into this mirrored wall decor. Alright everyone, we're going to start with this canvas board which is 12 by 16. And we have our mirror here that I already took out of the frame. And we're just going to place it in the center of the canvas board. And I'm just going to trace where the mirror is. Just take a pencil and trace it out. So when we put down our gems, we have the space and the space for the mirror also. Now we're going to take our gems here. And we're just going to place them all around our canvas board, which we're going to place one small and one large going all the way around. And now we're going to take our mirror and we are going to glue it to the center of our design. So we're just going to use the E6000 and the hot glue gun and just glue the mirror down. Okay, now that I've glued the mirror down, I think it looks kind of plain. So I have these beads that I got from the Dollar Tree and I'm just going to add them to the design for her. So I think let me give it a little bit more of a neat finish look around the mirror. Now we're going to take the wall sticker, the Just Love that she got from the Dollar Tree, and we're just going to place it on the mirror with a slight slant. And here's the finished look, you guys. I think it looks very nice. A nice, quick and easy little mirrored wall decor. I like how it turned out with the gems going all around. I think it looks super cute, and the beads made it look more of a nice clean finish. The beads going around the mirror. And the Just Love. Dollar Tree has some nice little wall decor stickers that you can use anywhere. You don't have to only place them on the wall. And they make nice decors. A nice added touch to any decor. And here is the mirror without the little wall stickers. I think it looks very nice too. You can leave your design just like this because it looks super cute just like this also. A nice mirror wall decor. Now I won't be putting it on the wall to show you guys because it's not mine. It's for a friend. But I'm sure she's going to use command strips and place it up on the wall. You could use the medium or the large command strips and place it on your wall. Yeah. Alright everyone, tell me what you think about this cute little Just Love mirror wall decor. Leave me a comment down below. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a like. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And press the bell so you'll get notified every time I upload a new DIY to share with you guys. And thank you so much. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye-bye, everyone.